Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be a foundation review. This foundation I just hauled in my last Sephora haul. If you didn't watch it, I'll link it down below. I got a bunch of stuff, so today I'm going to review this foundation from Guerlain. This is called the Terracotta Le Teint, and this is called the Healthy Glow Natural Perfection Foundation. 24-hour wear and no transfer. So I was reading on the app about the highlights of this foundation. It kind of confuses me because it mentions a natural finish and it mentions a matte finish. It's good for an even texture, liquid formula, medium coverage, best for dry, combo, and normal skin. So this is a liquid to powder foundation with up to 24-hour wear, medium coverage, and no transfer formula for a beautiful, healthy looking glow and luminous matte finish. So the luminous matte finish confuses so many people, and I think what they mean about the luminous matte finish is a natural finish because you get the glowiness but not too dewy. These are the claims about this foundation, and I just applied it. The foundation itself, it's so beautiful. As you can see, it's a glass bottle, nice cap here. It's like a brownish burgundy color. You get the logo here as well, description at the back as well. It reminds me of the Chanel No. 1 foundation. I do have that, and that's coming as well as a review. I did get it from Shoppers Drug Mart, so that will come. And this foundation has a beautiful gold cap, and it has a logo as well on the top. It's such a beautiful foundation. It's frosty but very, very smooth glass container. Yeah, so these are the claims, and it comes in 30 shades as I mentioned. My shade 2.5 neutral. So if you want to see how I got this foundation on, just keep on watching. I did already apply this primer from Guerlain. I really like it. This is called the Radiance Concentrate with Pure Gold Base. So I really like this one. And I've tried it before, so I know how it works under foundation. So I did apply this, and I already applied my skincare this morning, so I'm set. So pretty. I really like the packaging of this foundation. So this is the foundation, and it has a pump, which is amazing, 35 ml. My shade is 2.5 neutral. I'm gonna do a pump, and I hope this foundation is a match for me because I did have a little tan yesterday, so it developed today. I don't go darker than this, but I just like that 2 shades darker than my skin. And this is the foundation. It's a little bit more on the runny side, I would say. Not too runny, but it's runny enough for me to see it going down. Okay, so I'm just going to apply on this side first. And I'm gonna do another video using all my Sephora products that I bought recently from Sephora. So I want to test this foundation by itself just to see how it looks on my skin. Okay, this is gonna be a good match actually. So this is a layer of this foundation from Guerlain. It looks really pretty, very natural looking on my face, and I'm just gonna take my mirror a little bit closer. It matches my tan perfectly, so I like that. It's more on the glowy side, I would say, but not too dewy. It's just dewy enough for my liking actually. It's not too sticky. It's not set yet, but it's not too sticky, which is really good. Okay, so far so good. It looks really nice. I'm gonna do this side as well. As you can tell, like there's a huge difference between this side and this side, so okay. I'm gonna quickly do this side as well, and I do have a lot left over on my hands, so I'm just gonna use whatever I have. And I feel like a little goes a long way with this foundation just because of how liquidy it is, but it's pigmented at the same time. Such a lovely color too. So it does have a fragrance, but it's not overwhelming. It's there, you know, but it's not strong. I do like the finish of this foundation. It's so pretty, very natural looking on the skin. It's glowy at the same time. I do like how it looks, you know, reflective a little bit, but it's not too sticky or dewy. Yeah, I do like it. The coverage, I would say it's a medium coverage. I don't think it's a full coverage foundation. Maybe if you build it up, but I'm not going to. It's just nice the way it is right now. I'm not a full coverage kind of girl, so I do like light to medium coverage foundations. So I think this is so nice and pretty. I would like it, so I will just do some close-ups. It does look really nice actually. I really like the finish. The color is on point as well. It's so pretty. I will finish the rest of the makeup and I will be back. So I'm gonna wear this foundation the entire day, and I will come at the end of the day and show you guys how it looks. So it's 11:08 at the moment. I applied it maybe I would say 20 minutes ago. So this is what the foundation looked like with my makeup on. And yeah, so I will come and check with you guys at the end of the day. It's 9:35 almost. I've been wearing this foundation for about 10 hours or so. I think it was 11:20 this morning. I'm so impressed with this foundation, you guys. It looks amazing on my skin. It did not budge, did not move, and it did not settle into lines or anything. It doesn't look heavy or cakey or anything. Like even like on my chin area right here, it looks great. Like it just stayed on my face nicely like I left it this morning. My lashes are coming off. I took my eyeshadow off when I went grocery shopping because I think it was too much for grocery shopping. So yeah, other than that, it looks really amazing. I do highly recommend this foundation. It's a lovely one. I'm really impressed with the longevity of this foundation, the way it looks. It's not creasing or anything. I'm just looking at myself in the mirror. It's like it's freshly applied. I really enjoy this foundation. I'll use less foundation next time when I use it, and I will also set it just a tiny bit just on my cheek area here. I just felt like when I set here it was more on the matte side, and then the rest of my face was just so like, you know, glowy and healthy looking. Not a bad thing, but I just felt like it was just shiny here, and then it was like very matte here because I applied the bronzer, the blush, and all that stuff. It doesn't look, you know, different, but I just feel like it needed just a tiny bit of powder. So for next time I would do that. And for transfer proof, it is transfer proof because I did use my phone a few times calling, and when I was looking at my screen it was really nice and clean. Usually I get like foundation on it, so I just wipe it with a Kleenex, but it didn't do it with this one here. Yeah, so I'm really excited about this foundation. I don't have any complaints. I do like it. I highly recommend it if you want to spend $72 for this foundation. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Please subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in my next video.